Hi, I'm Dana Ritchie, owner of Paladin ID. Welcome to our thermal transfer ribbon page. I'm betting you're watching this video because you're not sure of where to start or have questions. Did you know that over 90% of companies do not know the exact type of ribbon they are using? It makes it difficult when trying to find a ribbon. Just know we are here to help, and you can feel free to call me personally with any questions. Let's get started. Because we're talking about thermal transfer ribbons on this page, please realize there are quite a few considerations in selecting the right thermal transfer ribbon for your unique needs. For example, does your application call for paper, polypropylene, or polyester labels? Or are you not sure? How long do your product labels have to last? What condition will these thermal transfer ribbons endure during their life? Cold, heat, moisture, sun, chemicals? Are you using a flathead or near-edge printer? Not sure? These questions will address what ribbon formulation is appropriate. Once we understand that, we can move forward to select the correct printer ribbon for your application. We are experts in thermal transfer ribbons. Give us a call at 888-972-5234 or email us to discuss your label application. If you know what thermal transfer ribbon you need, please browse our wide selection of printer ribbons in the link below. In either case, we hope to hear from you soon.